Did I tell you about my shoes? They're vegetarian. Not that you'll be able to tell by looking at them. They're really tough. I've had them resoled and rehealed 3 times. Now the other day I started to get some heel pain. This isn't my foot, by the way. You don't want to look at my feet. Pain on the bottom of the heel is very common, and orthotics or arch supports are often recommended. But are they helpful? Now it's often not clear why people are getting heel pain. One possible reason is foot pronation or flat foot, and if this is the case, then in theory supporting the foot arch should help. But does it? There's been a great study this last week in the British Journal of Sports Medicine about this very issue, a meta-analysis, my favourite kind of study. It's a huge study looking at the results of 1,660 patients. That's a heck of a lot of heel pain. And the results, do orthotics help heel pain? Well, previous studies have found inconsistent results, but this study suggests there is some evidence that orthotics are helpful, but the amount of pain relief they give may not be very much. There wasn't any difference found between customised and prefabricated orthotics, by the way. Now, in summary, heel pain may be helped somewhat by orthotics, but there are other things that may help. Rest, ice, weight loss, medication, exercises, acupuncture, manual therapy, extracorporeal shockwave therapy, injections, and time. But much more research is needed on the efficacy of these treatments. What about your heel pain, Andrew? I hear you ask. Well, the inner line of my shoe had rucked up, creating an edge that made my heel hurt, so it was easily cured. Thanks for asking. Bye for now.